माननीय मंत्री जी से जानना चाहता हूं कि पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट का जो हिंदुस्तान में रेट है वो हर राज्य में अलग अलग तरह की कीमतें हैं। क्योंकि हर राज्य को स्वतंत्रता है, अपने हिसाब से टैक्सेशन करती है पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट पर, इससे दाम में भी भारी अंतर रहता है। मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय मंत्री जी से जानना चाहता हूं कि आगामी समय में, चूंकि ये जीएसटी काउंसिल का विषय है, क्या मंत्रालय या सरकार जीएसटी काउंसिल से आग्रह करेगी कि पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट को भी जीएसटी के दायरे में लाया जाए, जिससे देश में पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट की दर समान हो और कुछ दर में गिरावट भी आ सके। मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय मंत्री जी से जानना चाहता हूं।
Sir, I would like to inform the honorable member that the issue of pricing of petroleum products is determined after the deregulation of the sector in 2010 by the UPA government. The pricing is determined based on world market prices. Today, 85% of the petroleum products are imported, and the world market prices are determined by the producing and exporting countries. So typically on 1 liter of petrol, if the landed cost is 40 pice, the petroleum companies make 4 rupees. On top of that, the central government imposes an excise of 32 rupees per liter, and the state governments raise taxes sometimes as high as 39%, etc. The question of GST, the Constitution clearly says after the last amendment that it is the GST Council which will determine whether petrol and diesel will be covered by the GST. So this is a recommendation which has to come from the GST Council. But I would like to inform the Honourable House, since I have the floor, sir, that based on the 32 rupees per litre that we collect by way of central excise and other excise, we are providing 80 crore citizens free meals under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. We are providing free vaccine to 80 crore Indian citizens on minimum support price MSP 30 to 70% of all major crops since 2014 have benefited the Indian farmers. 10 crore farmer families have benefited under PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana with more than rupees 1.35 lakh crores transferred directly. Sir, I could go on listing. The Ujjwala scheme, all this comes from the central excise, sir. But the states charge a VAT which is a percentage, and some states, as I mentioned, the VAT percentage is as high as 39%. I can go into that of the other states as well, sir.